In this video, we are going to learn about fractions, LCM and HCF. So what do you mean by a fraction? We have to learn about fractions. What do you mean by fraction? Fraction means a part of one thing, something. A part of something. That is what a fraction. We will say once you get we have a full cake, and if you take one piece of it, it's a part of that cake. Now what I do, this is a rectangle. I'll divide this rectangle into 4, and one part I will shade it. This part I have shaded this part. Now how do you say this shaded part in fraction? That is, we'll say 1 upon 4. That means we have total 4 parts. One part I have shaded. If I shade one more part, then what is a fraction? Then it is 2 upon 4. That means 1 upon 2, which is equal to 1 upon 2. This is what mean by fractions. Now there are 3 types of fractions we can say. That is, one is the proper fraction. I'll write one example and show you what is meant by proper fraction. See, if I write 1 upon 4, if I simplify and write it, what I get? I'll get 0.25. It means there is no whole number here. See, there is no whole number. That is why this is a proper fraction. Only the decimal part we have. Only the fraction point. After point we are having the numbers. So this is a proper fraction. Now we'll see what is an improper fraction. The second one is the improper fraction. Improper fraction. This also will write one example. If I write 5 upon 4, if you simplify this using a calculator, what do you get? You get 1.25. Here we are having a whole number before the point. That is why this is called an improper fraction. Now one more fraction is there. That is the, what is that is called? It is the mixed fraction. A mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, we can write 3. This will be a whole number, one whole number with a fraction. This is what the mixed fraction. So mixed fractions we can convert into improper fraction. How? This 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4, I can write it equal to, these two I'll multiply first. 3 multiplied by 4, and the numerator add with it. So it becomes 3 4s are 12, 13 upon 4. So this is how we can convert a mixed fraction to a improper fraction. So now we got the basic idea about the fractions. Now we will see what we mean by LCM. With an example, I will show you what is LCM. Find LCM of 30 and 45. 30 and 45. To find LCM, what do you do? First we will write the numbers with comma separated, 30, 45. Now with the lowest prime number we will try to divide. So here I'll divide by 2. So 15, 45 I can't divide, so I'll just write it like that. Now again I will see the lowest prime number, that is 3. With 3 I am going to multiply. If I not multiply, I am going to divide. So 3, I'll get 3, not 3, sorry, this 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 comma 15 I'll get. Now again I can divide by 5. So 1 upon 3. Again I can divide up by 3. So 1 I can't divide, so I'll just write it like that. 1 I'll get. Now if I multiply these LCM equals multiplication of these numbers. If I multiply these numbers, I will get the LCM of 30 and 45. So LCM equals what? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. 2 threes are 6. 6 multiplied by 5 threes are 15. 15. So which equal to 90. So 90 is the LCM. 90 is the LCM. This is how you'll find the LCM. We will solve some more ISRO and DRDO questions to understand more thoroughly. So let's take one more number. I will tell you. We have given two numbers. Find LCM of 7, 5. How do you find 7, 5? If you look at this 7, 5, both are prime numbers. What do you mean by a prime number? Prime number. What do you mean by a prime number? That means this number can be divided by 1 prime number. This number can be divided by 1 and the number itself. And the number itself. Number itself. That is what meant by prime number. See here, if I take this 7 can be divided by this 7 if I take 7 can be divided by 7 or 7 can be divided by 1. That is how this is becoming a prime number. So when you have two prime numbers, what is the LCM? You have to multiply how many numbers are there. All those numbers, if you multiply, you will get the LCM. Multiply 7 multiplied by 5 equal to 35. So 35 is the LCM. This is how you find LCM. Now we will solve one simple question. Simplify 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 5 plus, not plus, minus 5 upon 20. You have to simplify this equation. How do you simplify it? To simplify this, first you have to find the LCM of 4, 5, 20. So 4, 5, 20. This number LCM first you have to find to simplify it. So I'll go with 2. 2, 5 can't divide, so I'll just write it down 10 times. Again I can divide by 2. Once 5 I can't divide, so I'll write it like that, 5. So again I will divide by 5. So 1, I'll write it like 1, 1. Now what is the LCM? LCM equals what? 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So 20 is the LCM. Now how do you simplify this? To simplify this, what do you do? First you write the LCM 20. Then write the first number 3 upon 4 multiplied by 20 plus 2 upon 5 multiplied by 20 minus 5 upon 20 multiplied by 20. This is how you have to simplify. You can cancel these 5 times. 5 4s are 20. This is 4 times. 20 20 cancels, so 1 will be there. No need to write, understood it is. Now which equals what? 3 5s are 15. I will multiply these two numbers. 15 plus 2 fours are 8 minus 5 upon 20. If I simplify this, what I will get? 15 plus 8, 23. 23 minus 5, 18. 18 upon 20. We can divide numerator and denominator by 2. So we'll get 9 upon 10. So this is the answer. This is how we apply LCM to simplify problems. So we'll see one problem to find out HCF. Then after that, what we do, the next lecture, we will take question papers from ISRO for various technician trades like fitter, AC, electronics, different trades questions you will take and solve it. Then you will be good at it. Now HCF one question we will do it. Find HCF of 70, 78, 84 and 96. We have three numbers. They have asked us to find the HCF, highest common factor. How do you find HCF? To find HCF, you have to factorize these numbers. So write 78, let's try to factorize it. I'll divide it by 2. If I divide by 2, 3 times 9. Again, if I can't divide by, this is an odd number. 39 is an odd number. So I can't divide by 2, I can divide by 3. 1, 13. Now I can't divide by anything, only the number itself, 13, 1. Next number is 84. 84. 84 also we have to factorize. So it's an even number, so I'll divide by 2. 4 times 42. Again it's an odd even number. I can divide by 2. So it is 21. Now it's a odd number. So I'll divide by 3. I'll get 7. 7 3s are 21. So again I'll divide by 7. It will become 1. Now what is the third number? 96. So we are finding the HCF of all these numbers. 96. In this 96, I'll divide, it's an even number, so I'll divide by 2. 48. Again the 48, I'll divide by 2. Now what it is? It is 24. Again this 24, I'll divide by 2, so I'll get 12. Again this 12, I'll divide by 2, I'll get 6. 6, again I'll divide by 2, I'll get 3. So I'll divide by 3, I'll get 1. Now all the numbers we have factorized. Now how do you find the HCF? Now 78 equals 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 1. What about 84? 84 equals 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1. And the third number, what is third number? 96. If you take the 96, 2 multiplied by 2, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 multiplied by 2, 3, 4 times and 5 times. 2, 4, 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. Now how do we find the, now we got the factors. Now how do you find the HCF? From all these numbers you have to take the common. The 2 is common in all the 3. So, and there is no more 2 in the first one. So there is here also no common. So, but there is one 3 is there. 3 is common in all these 3. You have to take the common numbers. All 3 you should take. So now nothing is, 1 is also common. 1 we need not to take. Now HCF equal to 2 multiplied by 3. That is, HCF of these numbers are these numbers 78, 84 and 96 is 6. So the next lecture we are going to solve ISR questions for all the trades. At least I'll try to take up minimum 10 questions, different questions from the actual ISR question paper. Thanks for watching.